Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to our beloved lecturer, Dr. AHSANA AQILAH binti Ahmad. And we are from Group 4 and today we are going to present to you about our industrial visit experience to HAKIM Taxi Manufacturing Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Our group consists of 5 group members, which is myself, AMAL HAKIMI bin Muhammad ADIZURAIMIN, Muhammad IRHAM HAIKAL bin Muhammad RASHID, AMMAR HAKIM bin AIDI, FARIS Daniel bin FAIRUZ, and also LUQMANUL HAKIM bin JAMINGAN. In today's presentation, we are going to explain about the introduction, the objectives, company background, manufacturing process and technology employed, design concept and quality assurance, products produced, problem faced, type of hazard, safety and health policy, the element of IR 4.0, sustainability manufacturing, continuous quality improvement, and also discussion and conclusion.
So for introduction, the field of manufacturing plays a crucial role in modern industries, driving innovation, efficiency, and economic growth. So, to deepen our understanding of manufacturing process and technologies, our group conducted a visit to HAKIM Taxi Manufacturing Malaysia Sdn Bhd, a leading company specializing in the production of high-quality automotive components. So this visit was aimed to gaining insight into the company business, operation, manufacturing activities, and the detailed process involved in the production of their products. So in this report, it summarized our key findings from the visit, including the manufacturing stages and visual documentation like image or videos to give a clear understanding of the company practice. So for the objective, first, our objective is to gain insights into the company operation and manufacturing process. Second, our objective is to observe and document the systematic steps in product manufacturing. Lastly, to understand the role of technology in ensuring quality and precision. Next, I will move on to company background. So, our visiting company names HAKIM Taxi Manufacturing Malaysia Sdn Bhd, and it founded on 10 December 1991, and their headquarters is at Shah Alam, which is where we visited last time, and they have other two branch which is at Tanjung Malim, Perak and Pekan Pahang. So their industry is automotive. So HAKIM Taxi Manufacturing Malaysia obviously is a leading automotive component manufacturer which is with a strong presence locally and globally. It is also a subsidiary of the RBI HAKIM Berhad, one of Malaysia's largest conglomerates specializing in automotive service and property sectors. So their main core business activities including plastic injection molding, modular assemblies, painting and coating, and engineering solution. So there are six departments in this company. Firstly, injection molding department. So they are focused on producing high precision plastic parts for automotive interiors and exteriors. And then modular assembly department, painting line department, chroming line department, laser cutting department, and lastly research and development department.
So we move on to manufacturing process and technology employed. So the first one is by manufacturing process. It has an injection molding process, painting and coating process, assembly process, and the last one is ultrasonic welding. So for technology employed, HAKIM Taxi Manufacturing employs a range of advanced technologies to ensure efficiency. So the company utilizes cutting-edge machines, including hydraulic and electric injection molding machines that are capable of producing complex shapes with high precision. So for automation and robotics, it plays a significant role in improving speed and reducing human error. For robotic arms are used for assembly and painting processes. So for sustainability technology, it is a core focus, which technologies such as plastic granulators that recycle scrap materials into reusable pellets, reducing waste. So for design and engineering, the company employs advanced software tools for computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided engineering (CAE). So these tools enable the design and simulation of component performance before production, while finite element analysis evaluates stress, strain, and thermal properties to optimize product reliability. So for the design concept, the first one is customer-centric innovation. So uh, it is a tailored solution for automotive parts like bumpers, dashboards, and door trims. So for sustainability-driven approach, uh, it is a use of eco-friendly materials, recycled plastics, and energy-efficient processes to reduce environmental impact. So for advanced technology integration, incorporation of 3D prototyping, IoT-enabled components, and CAE tools for precise design. So we also do have quality assurance. What is meant by quality assurance? It is a standards compliance, adherence to ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 for global quality benchmarks that ensures quality and safety standards. And then for testing and inspection, it is a multi-level inspections and testing to maintain high quality standards. And then for continuous improvement, adoption of Kaizen Six Sigma and feedback-driven refinement in processes and products by using FMEA and customer feedback to enhance processes and products. So there are also products produced. So the first one is interior components. So as an example, the company produced dashboard panels, door panels, and trims, and then they also produce air vents. So for exterior components, it's produce bumpers, grills, side skirts, and fender liners. For structural and functional components, it produce underbody shields, wheel arc liners, and engine covers. It also have lighting components, electrical and electronic components. Last but not least, custom and specialty parts. Since the establishment of this company, there are certain problems produced. So the first one is by manufacturing defects. It was caused by injection molding issues, surface coating defects. By quality control challenges, it was caused by inefficient inspection and environmental testing failures. So for machine and equipment failures, the first one is caused by advanced machines and automations and robotics. By supply chain disruptions, it was caused by raw material issues and dependency on external supplies.
The types of hazards in a manufacturing company like HAKIM Textile Shah Alam, which specialize in plastic injection molding, blow molding, surface finishing, and assembly, can be categorized into several groups, which is physical hazards, chemical hazards, fire hazards, ergonomic hazards, mechanical hazards, electrical hazards, thermal hazards, and also environmental hazards. Now, now I will proceed to the safety and health policy of HICOM Taxi Shah Alam. The first one is hazard identification and risk assessment. HICOM Taxi Shah Alam systematically identifying potential hazards and assessing associated risks to implement appropriate control measures. Secondly, legal compliance. They always ensure all operations comply with relevant occupational health and safety legislation and regulations. The third one is employee training and awareness. They regularly provide training to employees to promote awareness and understanding of health and safety practices. And last but not least, continuous improvement. Hacom Taxi regularly reviewing and improving health and safety policies and procedures to enhance the performance.
Here from now on I will continue the presentation about the element of Industrial 4.0. The first one, what is Industrial 4.0? So Industrial 4.0, also called the fourth industrial revolution, that the transformation of traditional industries through the integration of advanced technologies, where it's enabling smart manufacturing and interconnected systems. It represents a new phase in industrial development characterized by automation, data exchange, and the fusion of physical and digital systems. So the second point is the benefits of Industrial 4.0. The first one is efficiency, where automating processes reduce waste and downtime. Second is customization, where it enables production tailored to specific customer needs. Third is cost reduction. It optimizes resource usage and minimizes maintenance costs through predictive analytics. And last but not least, agility, where quickly adapt to market change and demand. Next is the third point, that is key features of Industry 4.0 that been implemented by the company that we visit. The first one is automation and robotics. It's because the company use the robots for advanced manufacturing, where robots in Industry 4.0 are equipped with AI, sensors, and cameras that enabling them to perform complex tasks, adapt to changes, and work safely alongside humans. Second, increase efficiency. Automation minimize human error, speed up production, and ensure consistent product quality. Third is flexibility. Automated systems can switch between tasks and adapt to varying production needs with minimal reprogramming. And also human collaboration, where collaborative robots work directly with human workers, assisting with repetitive or hazardous tasks while humans focus on higher value activities. And the next key features of Industry 4.0 is Internet of Things, or it's called as IoT. So the Internet of Things refers to a network of interconnected device, sensor and system that communicate and share data in real time. The key aspects of these features is the first one, real-time data exchange, where sensors collected data from machines, tools, and process, enabling content monitoring. The second one is interconnected system. IoT enables seamless communication between machines, humans, and digital systems that creating a smart factory. The third is remote monitoring. Operators can monitor and control equipment remotely that can improve efficiency and reducing downtime. Last but not least, data-driven insight. IoT generates valuable data which, when analyzed, help optimize process, reduce energy consumption, and enhance performance. Next key features of Industry 4.0 that will be implemented by the company that we visit is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance use advanced analytic IoT data and machine learning to predict when equipment is likely to fail or require servicing, allowing for active maintenance. The key aspect of these features is the first one is IoT sensors. Devices monitor critical parameters like temperature, vibration, and pressure to identify abnormalities. Second is machine learning models. Algorithm analyze historical real-time data to predict failures with high accuracy. The third point is cost efficiency. By addressing issues before they lead to breakdowns, predictive maintenance reduce repair costs and extend the lifespan of machinery. Last but not least, downtime minimization, where scheduled maintenance ensure that equipment operates smoothly that can avoid unexpected harms. Now I will continue about the SDG, or Sustainable Development Goals. So what is SDG? SDG refers to a global framework of 17 interconnected goals established by the United Nations in 2015 as part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. These goals are designed to address critical global challenges such as poverty, inequality, climate change, and environmental degradation, while ensuring prosperity, peace, and sustainable growth for all. So why SDGs is vital? First one is a comprehensive vision of sustainability. and also global collaboration performance challenge focus on equity and inclusion, climate and environmental action, and last, economic growth with sustainability. So these are the SDG or Sustainable Development Goals that we find throughout the site visit of the company. The first one is SDG 3, good health and well-being. It is because the company maintain high safety standard for workers, reducing workplace injuries, and also provide healthcare program and mental health support for employees. Other than that, the company reduce emission and waste that harm public health. Second is SDG 4, quality education. They invest in employee training and upskill programs, partner with educational institutions to develop vocational programs. And the third point is SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, where the company adopting Industry 4.0 by implementing smart manufacturing technologies such as automation, robotics, and IoT to improve efficiency and reduce risk. The fourth point is SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. It's because the company use sustainable material, for example, like eco-friendly, recyclable, or bio-based plastic in manufacturing. Besides that, waste reduction, the company implementing circular economy principles by recycling plastic waste from production process. Last point is FTG 17, partnership for the goals, where the company do collaboration with stakeholders, partnering with government, NGOs, and industry players to implement sustainable practice and share knowledge where participating in industry forums to share best practice for sustainability.
Now, I will move to the continuous quality improvement (CQI) of HAKIM Taxi Shah Alam. The first one is mission statement. They want to deliver top quality products and services that can focus on effective management, innovative technology, and continuous improvement. A second one is employee development. They provide a regular training programs to build skills and to promote a culture of continuous learning and improvement. And the last one is supplier partnerships. HICOM Taxi Alam wants to collaborate with global partners to enhance technology and quality, and they want to develop Malaysia's first slosh module through a Chinese partnership.
Discussion based on our industrial visit to High-Com Taxi Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad. So firstly, we go to the company overview. So High-Com Taxi Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad is a prominent player in the manufacturing industry, primarily specializing in automotive plastic injection molding. Their operation involves producing high-quality plastic components and parts for various automotive applications. The company is equipped with modern technology and advanced machinery to ensure efficiency and precision in its manufacturing processes. So next we go to the manufacturing processes overview. So during our visit, we observed the following key steps in the manufacturing process. The first one being product design and development. So the company uses advanced CAD software for product design and mold creation. And then before mass production, prototypes are developed to test functionality, dimensions, and quality before being mass produced as a consumer product. Next is plastic injection molding. Plastic resins such as ABS, polypropylene, or polycarbonate are chosen based on the product's required properties. So plastic granules are melted in the injection machine and injected into the mold at high pressure. And then the injected material is cooled inside the mold to solidify it into the desired shape. Once solidified, the part is ejected and excess material is trimmed off. Okay, next we go to the quality inspection. So the products are inspected for compliance with design specifications, and then ensure the parts will be ensured to meet the required standards for automotive applications. So next we go to the assembly and packaging. For parts requiring assembly, such as dashboards and bumpers, additional steps are performed before packaging and delivery. Next, we go to the comparison of manufacturing processes and technology. So HICOM Taxi employs plastic injection molding, a process ideal for high volume production of precise components. However, other potential manufacturing methods and technologies could be considered. So the technology advantages are limitations. The 3D printing, ideal for prototyping, low material wastage, and flexibility in design iteration. But it is limited scalability and slower for mass production. Next is compressed molding. It's useful for large flat parts and reduces waste, but it is not suitable for high complexity designs. And then blow molding. It's ideal for hollow parts like reservoirs or containers, but it is limited application for automotive components. So next we go to the problem solving and process optimization. To improve manufacturing efficiency and overcome potential challenges, HICOM Taxi can adopt the following strategies. Firstly, the implementation of automation, such as robotic systems for material handling, injection, and assembly can enhance speed and reduce errors. Next is predictive maintenance. Use of IoT and AI to monitor machinery health and prevent breakdowns. And lastly, material innovations by explore biodegradable and or recycled plastic materials to align with sustainability goals. And lastly, are the products that can be manufactured using injection molding. The plastic injection molding process can also be used to manufacture consumer goods such as electronics casings, kitchenware, and toys. And other than that, it can also be used to manufacture medical products such as syringes, medical devices, and protective equipment. And lastly, it can also manufacture industrial components such as gears, housings, and other machine parts. So in conclusion, our visit to HICOM Taxi provided insights into their advanced manufacturing processes and technologies. While their injection molding operations are efficient and tailored for automotive parts, adopting complementary methods like 3D printing for rapid prototyping or leveraging automation could further enhance the productivity and the product quality. By exploring additional product lines and sustainable materials, the company can diversify and align with emerging trends in the manufacturing industry. Okay, next we go to the appendices. Okay, these are some of the pictures of our site visit at HICOM Taxi. Uh, from the first picture, we can see the product of blowing molding machine, which is the air vent for aircon in a car. And then also we have a picture of a selfie at one of the buildings for making electroplating products. And also we have picture of the dashboards of a Saga being assembled inside the factory also. And there are QC testing from the picture. They are doing a QC testing on the dashboard of a Proton Saga. These are more pictures that we took from our visit at HAKIM Taxi manufacturing factory. So that is all from us. We would like to take this time to say thank you to HICOM Taxi for allowing us to do our industrial visit assignment at their manufacturing factory. And also thank you everyone for watching the video.